Hi guys, it's Saturday, March 20th, 2021. Today I'll be taking a look at the Tool Shop Detail Sander. I know what the box says, but if you go on menards.com on your phone and use the app to scan the barcode, it'll come up as a Tool Shop Sander. I just want to take it out, take a look at it, plug it up, and see what we got. All right, I opened it up. Instructions here. Okay. Little piece here. Let's put that there. Pull this thing out. Give me a second, guys. Talk about false advertising. This is not a tool shop. It is a win. Maybe they're same company. I don't know, but it looks exactly the same as the tool shop. And nothing, absolutely nothing came with it. No, oh wait, hold on, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, here we go. Okay. Interesting, when you scan the box on the barcode, comes up as a tool shop item. Okay, boy. Well, you know, this is just something I wanted in those areas where they're kind of hard to get with an orbital sander. So, plug it up and take a look at it. Well, you know, let's take a look at the manual, see what we have or should have. You guys, it appears to be the exact same thing. Just scan the box again. It comes up as a tool shop detail sander. Doesn't have a bag. It has the adapter for the bag. This is it. So I guess you gotta buy a separate bag. I don't have too much of a problem with that. You don't get much here. Here's the on-off switch. Looks like it has the same, well, I'll have to check and make sure it has the same power and speed and stuff like that. I'm sure it does. Let's plug it up. All right, so let's plug it in. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, it's thick plastic here. Again, for under, this is actually $16.99. One second, let me check something, guys. I checked my receipt once again, $16.99, just like the receipt, $16.99 online. I guess they're just substituting this with the tool shop. The tool shop, the on and off is actually in this area. It's slightly different, but I'll take it. Well, I took it, so it is what it is. I just needed something like this just for, like I said, areas that are a little hard to get to with an orbital sander. So more like maybe some corner angles, something like that. So again, for your home and small projects, I don't see anything wrong with this. I'll keep you posted though. That was weird to scan a product, it comes up as something else, and then you open the box, you get something entirely different. Might be a first for me. I'll keep it, like the price, feels good in the hand. I need it, I'll take it. So it's gonna be a keeper. You guys have a great day. Take care.